Hi friends, welcome back to Fluent English with Shekhar. Synonyms are advanced English words for daily use English words. Let us know synonyms are advanced words for these words. Synonyms of sad are miserable, sorrowful. Fast, rapid, quick. Slow, sluggish or unhurried. Stupid, ignorant or foolish. Serious, grave, stern. Honest, sincere, genuine, clean, tidy, spotless, dirty, filthy, grimy, funny, humorous, bright, radiant, luminous, dark, gloomy, shadowy, big, massive, colossal, bad, awful, terrible, horrible, good, excellent, hard, difficult, challenging, weak, feeble, fragile, lazy, idle, inactive, or sluggish. Dear friends, before continuing the video, those who are watching my channel without subscription, please subscribe to my channel and also like, comment and share my videos. Let's continue. Noisy, boisterous, quiet, peaceful, silent, begin, commence, initiate, end, conclude, finish, beautiful, elegant, graceful, gorgeous, stunning, brave, courageous, bold, fearless, scared, afraid, frightened, cold, chilly, freezing, tired, exhausted, fatigued, very, right, accurate, smart, intelligent, clever, brilliant, small, tiny, miniature, little, ugly, unattractive, hideous, unpleasant, rich, wealthy, affluent, prosperous, poor, needy, destitute, impoverished, love, adore, cherish, lose, forfeit, misplace, put, place, set, hide, conceal, disguise, cover, show, display, exhibit, reveal, win, conquer, succeed, break, smash, shatter, take, grab or seize, look, glance, gaze, stare, change, alter, modify, transform, meet, encounter, face, come across, laugh, chuckle, snicker, giggle, cry, weep, sob, sleep, nap, slumber, give, offer, present, keep, hold, retain, preserve, see, notice, observe, view, think, ponder, consider, bring, carry, fetch, cut, chop, slice, trim, use, utilize, employ, wait, pause, linger, call, summon, contact, find, discover, detect, locate, wake, arise, get up, jump, leap, hop, bound, talk, speak, chat, converse, work, labor, toil, destroy, ruin, demolish, try, attempt, strive, endure. See, these are all some of the most important synonyms or advanced English words for simple English words. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.